Hi, welcome to this video. I'm gonna guide you through how to connect PayPal to Facebook as payment method. Right? Connecting PayPal to Facebook as a payment method in 2026 is a straightforward process designed for automatic billing, typically used for advertising or purchasing on Meta technologies. PayPal is a valid payment option for Facebook ads, Messenger, and some marketplace transactions. So, what you gotta do is just hit the profile icon at the top right, and you're gonna find settings and privacy. Press it. And inside you're gonna see settings. Just go ahead to it. Right? So if you want to arrange your payout as, or if you want to basically add PayPal as a withdrawal method, you're gonna just go ahead to the left side panel here. You're gonna go ahead to the payout, right? And all you gotta do is just go to the Hyper Wallet. Right, Hyper Wallet's terms. Meta now uses Hyper Wallets, a PayPal service, to deliver payments to you. Right, Hyper Wallet's payment services are subject to their terms and conditions and privacy policy. So all you gotta do is just connect PayPal to Hyper Wallet, right, and then you're gonna be able to receive payment from there. But if you want to use basically PayPal as a payment method for your ad, basically, all you gotta do is just hit the first option instead of payment, add payment instead of payouts. It's gonna take you to the Meta Business Suite, right? And all you gotta do is just hit add payment method, and you're gonna see, of course, PayPal available if it's supported in your region, right? So yeah, note in some regions, in specific for specific business types, you may need a PayPal business account to link to Facebook for selling purposes. So consider liking this video, subscribe, and until next time, see you.